And health officials are reporting a significant spike in new coronavirus cases. We're joined now by Cynthia Mulligan with more on that.
That's right, Erica. We found out today of today's total daily cases, 65% are under the age of 40. 195 new cases are being confirmed today. That's up sharply from the 103 that were reported yesterday. Meanwhile, 3 additional deaths have also been recorded. That comes after no new deaths were reported yesterday. Now, as the daily numbers continue to fluctuate, it's important to focus on other metrics, including the 5-day average. That now sits at 160. 1 week ago, that number was 110. The hard-hit farming region of Windsor-Essex is responsible for 57 of today's new cases. 31 are from Toronto, while another 18 come from Kiel. Those are the 3 regions being temporarily held back from entering stage 3. And for the very first time, the total number, the cumulative number of cases of young people under 39 outnumber the demographic of 40 to 59. And it's raising some very real concerns about how to handle the reopening of schools. Now, the Toronto Catholic District School Board has voted on its preferred plan. It wants schools open 5 days a week with no cap on classes. The chair of the board acknowledges to me they're concerned.
The parents, naturally, what they want is for their kids to go back full time. And that is what we voted on.
Did the plan that you voted on have a cap on classes, or is it regular size? My understanding is one of your trustees wanted a 15-student cap.
Well, yeah, I mean, there was a lot of debate and different options, right? But the fact is, there's so much logistics when you're talking about half a class. Any way you go, you have to have more money.
Okay.
Any option that you pick, you definitely need money, whether it's transportation, whether it's space, you need more teachers. There's, people to clean, sanitation stuff. Like, the funds are going to be incredible that's needed for many of these options, right?
Your board has approved this plan as your number one, but even you have reservations and you're concerned.
I think we all have reservations. I think we all do. But naturally, it was approved, and that's definitely what we have. As a board, that's a decision that's going forward.
So the chair emphasized that boards across the province are going to need a lot more money from the provincial government to make schools safe. Now, this is not a done deal. The province has to approve any board plan first, and the education minister was asked about this, and he said they will start reviewing all plans which are due August 4th. Now, one more note to tell you about. A moment ago, we told you how Windsor-Essex had the most cases across the province today at 57. Well, the region has been struggling to contain outbreaks with migrant farm workers. Premier Ford says he's considering mandatory testing for all farm workers and blasted the farms for not making them get tested.
It's common sense. Get the people tested. I just can't stress it anymore. It's frustrating when I beg and I plead up here to get them tested. And it's very simple. We will go to your farm. We will help you. We will support you. We will bend over backwards to do whatever it takes to get these people tested.
The Premier says he's in consultations now to see if it's actually legal for him to impose mandatory testing.